Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude. I'm out toy hunting in Langley, Canada, and this is the first time I'm ever seeing the Scorpios Rex pack. I know it came out in the States, and I was not expecting it to come out here in Canada, but here it is. And it comes with the gyrosphere and Kenji, and this is a great figure. It's huge. Like, look at it compared to Toro. It's massive. And this isn't even like the big one. This is a smaller mold. It's fully posable, the tail is rotatable, twistable, so is the head. And it is just a fantastic set. Like, holy cow. I'm so excited to see the rest come out. Hopefully, like, fingers crossed. I don't even see it on here. That's just insane. Okay, well, yeah, no. So this is good. This gives me hope. Hopefully the rest of the human figure packs come out. That would be fantastic. Knowing Canada, it's going to be very choppy and they're going to be hard to hunt down. But fingers crossed I can actually do that. They do have the Spinos here as well. But yeah, no, what are the odds? There's like nothing on the shelves. That's crazy. So I'm gonna keep a lookout for the rest of the figures. I'm sure they're gonna start getting Pteranodon and Stego. So I'm gonna check out Toys R Us next and hope to see more figures there. Glad y'all stopped by, and hope to see you all in the next video. Wicked. Bye-bye.